have for you part 2 of the standing balance pose called hand to big toe. I will not be taking my hand to my big toe because I cannot, but the idea is still the same of lifting one leg off the ground and taking an arm out to the side. For this variation though, I'm going to kick it up a notch for those of you who found part 1 very accessible for you. This can be a kind of a good little mind-body exercise that you add on to challenging your balance. So for this video, I am standing to the left of the chair. So my right leg becomes my standing leg, and I'm placing my right hand on the chair. Just like we did in part 1, I'm going to lift the opposite leg up. Here's the add-on. I'm going to take my left arm out, and maybe you can see I have my thumb up. So this is going to be the number 1. We're going to count up to 5 as we open the left arm and the left leg. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can pause there, considering maybe the hand coming off the chair, maybe the gaze going the opposite direction, maybe. And to make our way out, we're going to count down. We'll start with 5, and we'll start to close the fingers. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then lower the legs down. So that's just a little addition that you could add if you're looking for just a little something else for this standing balance pose.